good time.
Just feel free to let me know adjustments that you need on stage as we go, okay?
Okay.
And by the time we figure them out.
That'll be the next one. Hi, I'm Vern Lindsay. I got to do the solo in Knocking on Heaven's Door.
We're at the Riverside Event Center in Rockford, Tennessee. We're having a concert tonight. It's all gospel.
Come see our gospel show, doesn't it? 2, 3, go!
I'm Lee Tutt, and I'm the audio video guy here at Riverside Theater. I'm our production engineer, and I like to make people sound and look good.
Vern, do you think we had a good set? I thought you did especially well, Vern.
Especially
I think you did especially well. Yeah, that one.
Yeah, I did too. So you got to go in there?
Yeah.
I'm putting these in order so Steve will know the words.
Thank you. You were just absolutely spectacular in that last set. You know that?
No.
You don't know that?
No.
Kelly, don't be so modest.
Okay. I was spectacular.
There you go. That's what I'm trying to get out of you.
Never been.
I was born one morning when the sun didn't shine. I picked up my shovel and I walked to the mine. I loaded 16 tons of number 9 coal, and the strong boss said, well, bless my soul, you load 16 tons. What do you get? Another day older and deeper in debt. St. Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I'm in my soul to the company store. You should be here. Hey, Kathy. Are you feeling and looking spectacular?
I don't know. You're not. Are you videoing this?
I'm videoing.
Oh, God.
He has a new toy.
I do.
I know, but he knows how I feel about this kind of thing. He knows.
Hey, thanks for coming.
You're welcome.
Steve Grimsley.
Facebook and then
Bill Pritchard.
Bill Pritchard. I know we've seen each other before, Bill.
This is our 4th time to see
Fourth
you guys.
time. Oh, great.
We're almost groupies now.
All right. Who's this fine lady?
Judy.
Are you Mr. Pritchard's wife? All right.
They don't care.
He's videoing. He's literally videoing you right now.
That's right.
Yeah, I know.
Yes, he is.
Don't you hate
I
it?
am. I know.
He'll put it
You
he'll
love
put it on the internet.
You love it.
He will. Put it on our Facebook.